There will be instances where you will need to zoom in and out of portraits. And to show you what I mean, we're going to use Celeste as an example. Celeste missed picture day, so the admin of the book took her picture while she was in school, and she uploaded it to the portrait database and flowed her into her page. Now, her picture is there, but we want to go ahead and make it look a little more cohesive with the rest of the students, so we want to zoom into her face a little more so it looks more uniform. And in order to do that, we're going to select the portraits. And now we're going to choose the Edit and Crop tool right here. And if you see, you will see now that the Edit and Crop icon will show up in each picture. We're going to select the one we want to play around with. And it's going to be Celeste over here. We're going to click on that icon. And now, if you drag the corners, you can see that I can zoom in and out. The dark area, the light area is the actual photo box. So we're going to go ahead and place her where we want. And we're going to zoom in a little more, kind of make her face around the same size as the rest of the students, like so. And then we're going to simply deselect anywhere outside of it to deselect the photo. I also want to show you, I'm going to go back and edit and crop again, because another thing that can happen is you can zoom in enough that you will distort the actual DPI of the photo. If you see right here, will give us this warning right there that tells us that it's a low resolution. It's under 200 DPI, and anything like that will generate a warning. We want ideally 300 DPI for printing purposes. So let's go ahead and put little Lauren's face the way it was, and we're going to click outside of it to deselect it, and there you go. Now Celeste's photo looks like it belongs with the rest of the students as far as the face goes.